Will you pay R1 million for this bakkie? No, not worth it. So you will rather go for Hilux. Why? Will you pay R1 million for this Amarok? You won't. Why not?
I'll buy it.
Is it? Why?
But this is not bad. GTI 8, same price.
What's up guys, welcome back to the Car Guy YouTube channel. We are back at Webuycars because someone requested that we should do a bakkie video. Now this particular comment got quite a number of likes, and like I said, how I go about video recommendations in the comments, when I see a particular comment / video recommendation gets quite a number of likes, that's the video that I will do. That's for me to also know that a lot of people wants to see that particular video. So if you have any video recommendation, let me know in the comments and I'll try and make that video happen. The budget for today is 200,000 Rand because I made a poll on YouTube, and the poll with the most votes was a bakkie video under 200,000 Rand. Also, we have a bonus car at the end of today's video, so stick around for the bonus car. Before I forget, we're almost at 100,000 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed to this Car Guy YouTube channel, please do subscribe. And yeah, let's see what bakkies we can find today at Webuycars under 200,000 Rand. This is a top of the range VW Amarok going for almost R1 million. Will you pay R1 million for this bakkie? No, not worth it. So you will rather go for
Hilux.
Hilux. Why?
It's got better pedigree than that.
No.
This thing's got the Ford motor in it, but it's not reliable. That thing's got legendary.
So you will rather buy a Hilux?
Any day.
This is a top of the range VW Amarok Adventura. It has the V6 motor and it produces 184 kilowatts. It's a 4-wheel drive vehicle with a 10-speed automatic gearbox. As you can see right there, almost R1 million. And keep in mind that price is based on a 10% deposit. It has 40,000 k's on the clock, 21-inch wheels wrapped with Goodyear tires, and it has a lot of cameras. It has keyless entry, tint on the windows, and honestly this got to be one of the best looking bakkies you can buy. But let me know in the comments, will you pay R1 million for this VW Amarok? As you can see right there, this is the previous generation VW Amarok, but your 10-speed automatic gearbox is quite a lot of gears. It has keyless entry as well, as you can see right there. And all thanks to Giovanni for giving us the key. But as you guys can see right here, full LED interior with a 10-speed automatic gearbox, a massive infotainment system, and let's just, do this. As you can see right there. Yeah, so as you can see, it looks quite cramped from the inside. But yeah, let me know, will you pay almost R1 million for this Amarok? So guys, the first bakkie for today at Webuycars under 200,000 Rand is this 2017 Ford Ranger. It has a 3.2 liter 5-cylinder diesel motor, and it's a 4-wheel drive with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. It has a bull bar, aftermarket wheels, a roll bar as well, and by the way, it has a front camera with LED headlights, and it's a category B vehicle, so it cannot be financed. As you can see, that's the cash price and the mileage, and the reason why it has a green Decker sticker is because it has an oil leak, the hooter doesn't work, and the load body has been cracked. Now, like I said, these are aftermarket 17-inch wheels wrapped with grip max tires all around. It has chrome mirrors, chrome door handles, side steps, and it looks to me like the left passenger door is not the same color as the left rear passenger door. They do say that, the load body has been cracked. It has a tow bar and rear parking sensors, and the tailgate has been badly damaged. The paint. But yeah, as you can see, that is how it looks from the rear. So yeah, they're talking about this crack on the load body. Let's see how the vehicle looks from the inside. Okay, so you have electric windows with electric mirrors. It has full leather interior, and the driver's seat has been torn quite badly. It has a 6-speed automatic gearbox with cruise control, voice control, central locking. And basically, this is how the bakkie look from the rear. So like I said, it has a 3.2 liter 5-cylinder diesel motor, and it's a 4-wheel drive with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. From the Webuycars website, they say that this motor has an oil leak. It has a partial service history and a fuel consumption of 8.9 liters per 100 kilometers. Do you guys think that 325,000 kilometers is high mileage for this bakkie? Yeah, let me know in the comments. So the second bakkie for today under 200,000 Rand is a 2012 4x4 Nissan Navara. It has a 2.5 liter diesel motor, and it sends all its power to the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual gearbox, and this used to be a company vehicle. But yeah, it's a category A vehicle, so it can be financed. That's the cash price, the installment, and the mileage. And the reason for the green Decker sticker is because the rear right electric window doesn't work. This fog light is defective, as you can see right there, and that's about it. It looks to me like this front bumper has been resprayed at some point. You have a bull bar with side steps, a roof rack, and also a roll bar, and these are 17-inch wheels wrapped with Toyota tires all around. So overall, this Navara bakkie is in good condition. Don't know what happened here. I have no idea what happened here. But yeah, like I said, this used to be a company bakkie. As you can see, proof of stickers that has been on this tailgate. Overall, this Navara is in good condition. You even have a turbo at the back as well. And the vehicle is locked. It has a 6-speed manual gearbox with electric windows, electric mirrors. It has power steering, air conditioning, center locking with a partial service history and a fuel consumption of 8.9 liters per 100 kilometers. So yeah, this is the second bakkie for today. It's a 2011 Chevy Utility. It's not an Opel. It's a Chevrolet, as you can see right there. But it has a 1.4 liter motor and it sends all its power to the modified front wheels via a 5-speed manual gearbox. And it's a category A vehicle, so it can be financed. That's the cash price, the installment and the mileage. And the reason for the green Dekra sticker is because it has noise on the front axle. These are aftermarket 17-inch wheels wrapped with Sumitomo tires. You have a bonus, which is a canopy, because you know sometimes when you buy a bakkie like this, you don't get a canopy. But luckily with this particular vehicle, you have a canopy as well. So it's quite neat and it's quite in good condition. All the panels line up properly. As you can see, the doors line up properly, the fender, the bonnet and also the bumpers line up properly. These headlights has been faded, but that's something minor. That's something you can buff out with toothpaste. But yeah, the vehicle is locked, but you have a 5-speed manual gearbox, manual windows, manual mirrors, power steering, air conditioning. It has a full service history and a fuel consumption of 7.6 liters per 100 kilometers. So yeah, this is another bakkie for today.
I'll buy it.
Is it? What?
Buy this in a buy GTI 8. Same price.
For real? Would you rather go for like a Hilux or something? Or no?
Hilux, yeah, man. This stuff, they just drive little.
No,
The
and
Hilux is so basic.
yeah.
You understand?
Will you pay $1 million for this Amarok? You won't. Why not?
Could be because of R200.
Nah.
But he's right, he says.
But if you have $1 million, will you buy it? Or no? You won't. Will you rather go for Hilux? Nah. Okay. Yeah, most people prefer Hilux over Amaroks. Yo, Daihatsu. Give us a rev, man. Give us a rev. Yo. It looks like a little washing machine. So guys, the first bakkie for today at this branch under 200,000 Rand is a bi-turbocharged 2013 VW Amarok. Now it's powered by a 2-liter turbocharged motor. It's a bi-turbocharged VW Amarok. It's a 4-wheel drive vehicle with a 6-speed manual gearbox and it cannot be financed because it's a category B vehicle. That's the cash price and the mileage 416,000 km to the clock. And the reason for the green Dekra sticker is because the windscreen is cracked, the motor is smoking quite badly and the drivetrain warning light is flashing. It has an Amarok bull bar and Amarok side step with an Amarok roll bar and these 18-inch wheels wrapped with Dunlop tires, and it looks to me like the front bumper doesn't line up properly, but you have turned on the windows, and honestly this bakkie is so big that it doesn't even fit in the video, as you can see right here. But basically that is how it looks from the rear. So let's see how it looks from the driver's side. So basically this is how it looks from the driver's side. So it is in good condition. You even have a tow bar with rear parking sensors. But yeah, let's see how it looks from the inside. Okay, so keep in mind this is a Highline VW Amarok. It has electric windows, electric mirrors, full LED interior with 415,000 km on the clock. So it's a high mileage VW Amarok, and yeah, for a bakkie with that mileage, the interior is in good condition. So let's see how the motor looks, because it has a 2-liter bi-turbocharged engine, which means this bakkie has 2 turbochargers. It has driven 415,000 kilometers. They do say that the motor is smoking quite badly, but it has a full service history with a fuel consumption of 7.9 liters per 100 kilometers. So if you are looking for a bakkie that has no canopy windows, then you will be looking at this 2021 Nissan NP200. It has a mighty 1.6 liter motor and it sends all its power to the front wheels via a 5-speed manual gearbox. It's selling for just under 124,000 Rand. It has 151,000 km on the clock, and these are Firestone tires on these 15-inch wheels. It has Dunlop tires on the rear wheels. You have turned on the windows. This canopy has no windows. Actually, it has one window. So let's see how it looks from the rear. Yeah guys, it's quite neat from the rear, and I don't see any visible scratches, no dents, and this used to be a company vehicle. But yeah, let's see how it looks from the inside. Yeah, the vehicle is locked. Yo, what a combination. The canopy has no windows and the vehicle is locked. But yeah, it has a 5-speed manual gearbox, manual windows, manual mirrors. It has power steering, air conditioning. It has a partial service history with a fuel consumption of 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers. So it's quite heavy on fuel. So guys, as I'm walking to the next Bakkie, I found a Toyota Conquest Sport with the same red seat belts you get in a Ferrari SF90. It even has a boot spoiler with side skirts, and these are the original 14-inch wheels. It has auto grip tires, and yo, this thing is super neat. It looks like it has been lowered. Yeah, the vehicle is locked, but the interior is super neat as well. Yo, no windy, but unfortunately the mirror is missing. But yeah, let's move on to the next Bakkie for today. Here they have a 2018 Ford Ranger. It has a 2.2 liter turbocharged diesel motor, and it sends all its power to the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's selling for just under 186,000 Rand. As you can see right there, that's the kilometers, and it's a category B vehicle, so it cannot be financed. And guys, this XL doesn't stand for extra large. It signifies that this is the base level for the Ranger. It has a bull bar at the front, and it looks to me like the front bumper and this fender has been resprayed. It has these 16-inch wheels wrapped with Continental tires. It has windshields with a roll bar, and from my point of view, this Bakkie is in good condition. It even has a tow bar as well with a spare wheel, which is supposed to be underneath the Bakkie. It is in good condition apart from the front bumper and this fender. So yeah, let's see how it looks from the driver's side. So as you can see, it's quite neat from this side as well. It's only the front bumper and the left fender that has been resprayed. It has a 6-speed manual gearbox, electric windows, electric mirrors. It has central locking with a partial service history and a fuel consumption of 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers. So yeah, this is another Bakkie for today. Under 200,000 Rand is a 2014 Chevy Utility. Now it's powered by a 1.4 liter motor, and obviously it's a four-wheel drive. It's a front-wheel drive Bakkie with a 5-speed manual gearbox, and as you can see, it's a low mileage vehicle. It has a green Decker sticker, and that is because the windscreen is cracked. And by the way, it's selling for just under 117,000 Rand. And also they say that all 4 tires are smooth, so if you buy this vehicle, make sure to replace all 4 tires. Looks to me like this fender has been dented. It also has these Velocity tires with 14-inch rims. So yeah, the owner decided to put rims on the rear wheels, but at least you have a canopy with windows, and this whole thing is loose, as you can see right here. But at least you have a spare wheel to make up for the thing that is loose. But yeah, this canopy needs to be resprayed, the rear bumper needs to be resprayed, and also all 4 tires needs to be replaced. Sounds like a rhyme. So yeah, the interior does justify the low mileage. As you can see, it's quite neat from the inside, and that's the kilometers, as you can see right there. But according to the Webuycars website, this Bakkie has a partial service history from its 1.4 liter motor, and at least it has no mechanical issues according to the Webuycars website. So yeah, as you can see, the motor looks quite neat. It has a fuel consumption of 7.2 liters per 100 kilometers, and keep in mind, the Chevy Utility and the Opel Utility share the same motor. But yeah guys, this is the last Bakkie at Webuycars under 200,000 Rand. So guys, our bonus car for today is one of the best looking Golfs ever made. It's a 2015 VW Golf 7 GTI, and as you can see, this is how the key look. It looks quite basic for a performance car. But first and foremost, the vehicle's badge is stolen, as you can see right there. It has an aftermarket front lip with an aftermarket boot spoiler as well. It's a new arrival, so that's the kilometers. I'm not sure whether it's a category B or category A vehicle, but it has one of the best looking, standard rims ever made as well. It's 18-inch wheels wrapped with high-low tires all around, and it has indicators on the door mirrors, slight tinted windows, a glass sunroof, an aftermarket boot spoiler with front and rear parking sensors, and this car has an aftermarket exhaust, so I'm quite eager to hear how it sounds. And you can see that the rear bumper, the lights, the boot, all the panels line up properly. So yeah, let's see how it looks from the inside. Okay, so it has obviously electric windows with electric mirrors, power steering, air conditioning, extended flappy pedals. It has a sunroof as well, and basically this is how it looks from the rear. So it's quite neat from the inside, and honestly this Golf will sell quite quickly. But yeah, let's hear how this Golf 7 GTI sounds. So it sounds like it has a standard exhaust apart from the exhaust tail pieces. But guys, like I said, this is one of the best Golfs ever made, apart from the Golf 7.5 GTI and the Golf 5 GTI. and I'm not sure whether it has any mechanical issues because it's a new arrival. Will you prefer something like this over a Renault Megane RS, a Ford Focus ST, and a BMW 135i? But guys, this is our bonus car for today.